welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is TechMore. I am going to download my software in which I am going to edit my HTML and CSS video. First of all, we have to type here on a Google Chrome VS Code for Windows. Here it is. Click the link. Download. I am using Windows operating system. That's why I am going with Windows. It started download starting. My software is downloading. Let it download first. मैंने जिस रोज पहना तेरा पहरन मेरी माँ ने कहा था मुझे चूम कर याद रखना मेरे लाल तू झूम कर दिलों जान से जला के वफा के दिए मैंने जन्मा है तुझको वतन के लिए मैंने जन्मा है तुझको वतन के लिए and run as administrator. Yes. Okay. I accept an agreement. Next. Browse. Next. Start menu. Okay. Add open with code and add open with code action window explorer. Register code. I'm not create desktop icon. Next. Install. It is installing to my PC. Okay, finish. No, it's open. Look. This is a software in which I will tell you how to create your HTML and CSS website. This is easy to download. It is worldwide software. You can download anywhere in a world. You can use it. It is easy to use, friendly to use. Hope you like my video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.